Hey, Get Unstuck Nation. Welcome back to Get Unstuck Radio. So let's talk about why I don't have a business partner. I think the previous episode, I talked about how to find a good business partner. I talked about it before. You can check that. But now I'm talking about why I don't have a business partner. Here's the thing. There is no good and bad reason of having a business partner. And there are two big reasons to answer this. One is that it's require a type of business that maybe you need a partner to help you making decisions and operate things. Like in case it requires their expertise to run your business and help growing business with you. Maybe that helps you to grow better. And usually those business would be a big corporate. Like it requires more stakeholder, let's say, more people, more elements that involve in order to grow and scale the business. Therefore, there are more partners that helping the machine to make it work. And that makes sense to have business partner. Couldn't deny that. On the other hand, those business model, that business partner are not necessary lifestyle business. Like me, I can be the only person who are sole decision making, control everything, and I like it. Yeah, lower overhead, higher profit margin, reduce a lot of conflict. Basically, you need to understand having another business partner, meaning that you need two brain to discuss things. You will have a longer decision period. You will have a longer work process. And it can be not as flow as one person solo management, which if the scale of the business is very small, like what I have, it's not necessary to have a partner at all. Having a team, on the other hand, is not the same as having a business partner. That, at least in my opinion. Having a team is when you buy time, you delegate the task by use money to solve the problem on the things that you are not good at doing or the things you don't want to do. And you let your team, where you trust, do it for you. They are not making decision on your behalf on certain things, but they can use their expertise to fulfill your time, where you can focus on the things that matters to your business, and you can making decisions easier and faster for the better outcome of the business. And that's how I see lifestyle business grow in this space. One thing that I like about lifestyle business is that the unit is so small. It's too small to fail. I really like that sentence. It's too small to fail. So hence why I don't have a business partner, because everything is on me. Another side of the coin is that I do it. I take responsibility. I take all the profit. I take all the loss. So all the risks and all the gain on me. That's, I think, is a fair game. And because I see it in that sense, it's not so high pressure. When I have a partner and the scale of the business is so small, it actually pressure though, because you have to think for the partner all the time. And you will have another issue when the small scale of the business and you have a partner is that when another party not invest enough of time, money, and energy as much as yours, even though you have to set the same expectation when you started partnership already, but this thing is so hard to measure. So considering this and find a way that comfortable for you, because some people doesn't have time to do this thing, and it could reveal on experiment again and find what you like in doing. Many people enjoy having business partner, and that's okay. I think if you know what you like, it's amazing. I'm happy for you. That's it. That's all that matters. So that is just what I discover of pros and cons, let's say, of having a business partner and not having a business partner. So hope you get some ideas of listening to this episode today. And don't forget to subscribe. Seeing you in the next episode of Get Unstuck Radio. And don't forget to get unstuck. Take care and see ya.